Hi, welcome to Best Drink Recipes. I'm Eli Mountjoy, and now we're going to make the classic Manhattan. You can see we already have it chilling here in our martini glass with some soda water and ice, and we're going to put a higher quality bourbon in, 4 ounces, and ½ an ounce of our sweet vermouth, followed by a couple of dashes of our Angostura bitters. Let's go ahead and build it. Little ice, 2 4 ounces of our higher quality bourbon, followed by ½ an ounce of our red or sweet vermouth, and a couple of dashes of Angostura. We're going to give this a good shake for about 7 to 10 seconds. And we will exude the water from the chilled martini glass. And we're going to use 2 Luxardo cherries. You can use Maraschino, but Luxardo is so classy. And we'll just strain right into the glass. There you have the beautiful and classic Manhattan drink. Thanks for watching Best Drink Recipes. We'll see you next time.